This is all for meditation.
Everything with the Earthship is like the most efficient way. It's starting to warm up in the greenhouse. So these pads are for stepping on. I'm trying not to let it slam open. You can see the screen in these to keep the bugs out a little bit. We got all these beautiful greenery inside of here. Look at the bottle work on this. Like, and you can feel it's just a normal bottle. That used to be a liquor bottle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 solar panels here. We've got a little one there. Looks like it goes to a satellite dish or something like that. 4, 5, 6 more solar panels, and you got some out back here. I used to be obsessed with these. I probably still am. So I'm familiar with kind of like how it works the best that I can be for somebody that's never lived in one. Oh, here's another.
Ah. Well, you can have whatever you want, dude.
Well, yeah. And it don't matter.
I don't give a shit.
That's your.
Damn. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
What's that little door for? Oh, that's for the AC.
Yeah. You just open this right here, and you have AC.
Cool thing.
Right?
Hey, buddy.
Even though you're keeping the interior cool, the sun is still cooking the walls. So when you shut the transoms at night, that heat emanates from the rear walls and warms the interior of your house. And what's amazing about it, got pillows on both sides, so obviously that's kind of how it was meant to be used. There's zero noise. It's just serene. It's just peaceful. And I think it's the most amazing form of efficiency heating ever. But here's the thing, both the right and the left, the government's against you. They don't want you to have something that costs you zero money to maintain. They don't want you to have something that costs you zero money to heat and cool. They don't want you to have something that is a lower tax bracket because, well, it's handmade. And also, if you find the right insurance company, they love insuring these because they don't burn down. It's hard to burn something down with a whole bunch of earth behind it. Here we have this beautiful architecture with the glass bottles. They just cut the bottles in half and then they use a clear side on the outside because the sun will hit the inside. But then when they were using solid colors, the sun wouldn't shine through them so good. So they stopped doing that. Better than playing it on your phone.
Exactly. It's real nice. And oh God, I love it. I love it.